How to reset Instagram Explore page. Hello guys, welcome back. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the Instagram app, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back and click on the data usage here and make sure all those options are enabled. And then you have to open Instagram, go into the explore page, and make sure to put a like on the posts that you like only. And also make sure to watch them a few seconds so the Instagram algorithm will say that those posts are great for you. And for the posts that you don't like in your explore page and you don't want to see them, just keep clicking on them like this, and then click on not interested. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.